Look, I'm the only underdog they address as your highness. They try to underrate your skills when you next to a giant. I had to study all his moves and connect it to science. Left without a scratch, a bloody sword, and I had a Goliath. I never brag, I accept all my blessings in private. I stayed patient, put in work, never questioned his timing. And every move that I made, bitch, I kept it on silent. These streets evil, you gotta play chess to survive it. I keep my eyes on the prize and my eyes on the rivals. Eyes closed, I can spot dollar signs with a blindfold. Could've been a preacher's wife that abide by the Bible, but I chose another route cause my mind on survival. Them school books never teach the fact that the richest man to walk the earth was a king from Africa. His name was Mansa Musa. Do your research and dig. Don't just leave it to the white man to teach to your kids. Facts.